Are you still waiting for your IRS refund? Wondering why it's taking so long? Or maybe you want to know how to get your tax refund faster? If you're looking for answers, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about your IRS refund, common delays, and expert tips to speed up the process. Let's get started. First things first, how long does it actually take to get your IRS refund? The IRS states that most refunds are processed within 21 days if you file electronically and choose direct deposit. However, if you file a paper return, it can take 6 weeks or even longer. But why do some refunds take longer? Let's find out. There are several reasons why your IRS refund might be delayed. Errors on your tax return, even small mistakes, can cause delays. Incomplete information, missing W-2s or incorrect bank details can slow down processing. IRS identity verification. If the IRS flags your return for potential fraud, you may need to verify your identity. Claiming tax credits. Some credits, like the Earned Income Tax Credit, take longer to process. Government backlogs, high tax season volumes, or IRS staffing shortages can also contribute to delays. So, how can you track your refund? The best way is to use the IRS Where's My Refund tool on their website. Here's what you need: your social security number, your filing status, the exact refund amount. You can also check the IRS 2 Go mobile app for updates. The tool provides 3 statuses: return received, refund approved, and refund sent. If your refund is delayed, the IRS may request additional information. File electronically. E-filing is faster and reduces errors compared to paper filing. Choose direct deposit. It's the quickest way to receive your refund. Double check your return. Ensure all information is correct before submitting. Avoid last-minute filing. The earlier you file, the faster your return is processed. Respond quickly to IRS requests if the IRS needs verification. Don't delay in providing the necessary documents. Now that you know how to track and speed up your IRS refund, take action. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tax tips and financial insights. And let us know in the comments how long did it take for your IRS refund to arrive. See you in the next video.